Move on to the next document here. Grab our vendor name. You'll notice here tax is in bright red. If we zoom in, we can see it found the tax rate. Let's go ahead and click here and train it on the taxable amount and the shipping and handling, so the next time it sees the document, it knows where to pull it from. Grab our vendor name again. Looks like page 1 is captured correctly. Move here on to page 2, and we can see here our tax field is good. Shipping and handling, let's go ahead and capture that. And then grab the amount due. Invoice is valid. Move on to our last document. So this is a good example here of how the learning takes place over multiple iterations, because you'll notice here on second pass we only had 1 field to capture. On first pass we have 3, and you'll notice here if I go ahead and grab the amount due, and if we look at this, you'll notice that the system has actually populated the subtotal value in the tax field, and the word tax has the green semantic reference point to it. So I'm just going to click over here, capture the value, and in doing so, by clicking on it, total before is picked up. So because total before tax isn't a very common way of saying subtotal, this is an example where that learning is reinforced over first several iterations and doesn't take place immediately, whereas the vendor name and amount due was very straightforward. The system learned immediately from the user's input and behavior. One final